Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a farmhouse style pillow. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be crocheting an 18-inch square, and then we're simply going to be sewing that square onto a pillow cover. So what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need about 514 yards of yarn. I chose to use Yarn Bee Bam Beautiful yarn in the color Linen. It's a lightweight number 3 yarn. Okay, it looks something like this. I totally feel though that you can get away with using a number 4 worsted weight yarn, as this lightweight 3 yarn is quite thick in my opinion. Alright, you're also going to need a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, some pins, needle and thread. And of course you're going to need your pillow cover. Okay, I picked this up at Hobby Lobby as well. It's just a Merchant 41 pillow cover with a zipper backing. Alright, so you can find the full directions for this pattern for free on the blog. So just click the link down below. Let's get started. Alright, so to keep this tutorial nice and short, I'm just going to be showing you a swatch of the stitch that you'll be using for this project, since we're only going to be using one stitch, so that makes this project very easy. So go ahead and create your slip knot and chain 16. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so once you have your 16 chains, you want to skip your first stitch, okay, so your first chain, and work a single crochet and double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So my first single crochet and then my double crochet all in that same chain. Okay, and then we're going to skip the next chain and create a single crochet and double crochet in the following chain. Okay, and then you want to skip your next chain and single crochet and double crochet in the following chain. Alright, and you want to continue to do this till your last 2 chains. Okay, so continue skipping a chain and single crocheting and double crocheting in the following chain. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will meet you at the end. Alright, so I'm at my last 2 chains here, and we're simply going to be skipping the next chain and only crocheting 1 single crochet in the last chain. Okay, and so your first row, and this will be the first row of your pillow cover, should look like this. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. So now we're working on the back side. Okay, so we're going to create a single crochet and double crochet in this first stitch right here. Okay, so go ahead and create your single crochet and double crochet. Then we're going to skip the next chain or the next stitch and single crochet and double crochet in the following stitch. So create your single crochet and double crochet. Okay, so it just looks something like this now. Then we're going to skip the next stitch and single crochet and double crochet in the following stitch. Okay, and so you want to continue doing this till the end of the row, so till your last 2 stitches, okay? So simply skip a stitch and single crochet and double crochet in the following stitch. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will meet you at the end. Alright, so I'm here at my end, and you should see 2 stitches, one right here, and then this one's a little tricky to see, but it's right here. You want to skip this stitch and create a single crochet in that last stitch. Alright, so you should have something that looks like this now. Okay, and so now the pattern gets very easy because all you want to do is repeat row 2. So for the pillow cover, you're going to repeat row 2 68 times. So you're going to have 68 rows of the granite stitch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back here. Alright, so once you've crocheted your square, it should look something like this. Okay, and so now you want to go ahead and grab your pillow cover, and you want to lay your pillow cover on the back side, making sure that the front side of the pillow cover is facing up. And then go ahead and put your crochet cover on top of it. And now it's time to pin it. So make sure that your crocheted cover is aligned on the sides. Okay, so make sure that's properly aligned. It's okay if it takes a minute here. Okay, so once that's done, you want to grab your pins and you just want to pin the sides. Okay, and this is just to help to make sure that the crochet cover doesn't slide off the pillow when you're sewing it. Okay, so just take a few minutes to do that. All right, and you want to continue to pin it for the whole entire square. Okay, so continue to pin it on all sides. Okay, so once you've pinned all sides down, you're going to grab your needle and thread, and you're going to start from the corner. I find that it's easier to start from the corner. So you want to insert your thread from the back, and then from the back of the pillow cover. So go ahead and insert it, and then insert it through the crochet piece. Okay, and then bring it all the way through. Okay, and I don't cut it at all. This is just in case I need more. Okay, and so once you've done that, you're going to come from the front side. Okay, so go through the crochet cover and the pillow cover. And make sure you stay on the edge. Okay, so make sure you stay on the edge of it. And then bring it through. Okay, so here we go. From the back to the front. So pillow cover and then through the front. All right. Okay, and you want to continue to do this until you're back at the beginning of here. So continue to do all the sides, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I will meet you back here. Okay, so I just finished sewing my crochet square onto my pillow cover, and you should have something that looks like this now. Okay, here are the sides just so you could see, and then this is the back. So now you have a really cute farmhouse style crochet pillow. All that's left to do is just grab your pillow, pop it into your brand new pillow cover. And one additional thing that you can do is, and I actually did this on my first pillow, is I created a tassel, and if you chose to get the same pillow cover as I did with a zipper backing, I actually made a tassel to go on the back of it, and I tied it up right here. But you could also create 4 tassels and put it on the 4 corners of your pillow, or you could even do pom-poms. Alright, so I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.